Hi everyone, welcome to the 2018 Granny Square Crochet Along. Today we are going to do another beautiful granny square. So to start with, chain 4 and slip stitch. So okay, and now we are slip stitching. Now chain 4, do 2 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert, pull out a hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that is 1 treble crochet. Do another. Now chain 4, do 3 treble crochet, one, two, three. Again chain 4 and do 3 treble crochet. And 3. Again chain 4, do 3 treble crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 4 and slip stitch here on top of the first chain 4 that you did. So now row 1 is complete. To begin round 2, we are going to slip stitch into this space. So just go around slip stitching. We are almost there, and here we are. Okay, now we are in this space. Now chain 3, we're going to do a half treble crochet now. So yarn over twice, insert into the space and pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So that is 1 half treble crochet. Do another loop twice, insert into the space, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Now chain 3 and again do 3 more half treble crochet inside this space. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. So now chain 1, you're going to continue this all over for this round. You're going to do 3 half treble crochet and chain 3 and another 3 half treble crochet, chain 1, and you're going to work this space next, chain 1, this space, chain 1, and you're going to end it with a slip stitch. So I'll meet you at the end of round 2. Now I've reached the end of the round, so to finish the round I'm going to make a slip stitch. And I'm going to change colors here. So okay, so now if you're also changing colors, just fasten the new color to this chain space, and if you are using the same color, just slip stitch to the chain space. So here I am fastening the new color. Okay, so now we're going to begin round 3. Chain 3, 2 double crochet, Now chain 3, 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, chain 1 and 3 double crochet into this chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Again chain 1, do 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in this corner chain space, chain 1, do 3 double crochet in this chain space, again chain 1 and work a corner. This round is pretty simple, so I will meet you at the end of this round. So now round 3 is done. To complete it, just make a slip stitch. Now slip stitch to the corner. 1, this is 2, and now I'm in the corner. Chain 1 and do 3 half double crochet. So that is 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, chain 3, do 3 more half double crochet. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 2, do 3 more half double crochet in this chain space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, do 3 half double crochet in the next chain space. So that is 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Now we're going to work another corner. Do 3 half double crochet, chain 3 and 3 more half double crochet. That's 1. 3, chain 2. Continue this for the rest of the round and I will meet you here at the end of the round. Here we are at the end of round 4. To complete round 4, just make a slip stitch. Okay. Now again I'm going to change colors and if you are also changing colors, I'll ask you to please fasten the new color to a corner. If you are not changing colors, just slip stitch to the corner like we usually do. Okay. So now I'm fastening my new color to the corner. Chain 1. Now do 3 single crochet inside this. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Do 3 more single crochet inside the same corner. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2. Do 3 single crochet inside the next chain space. Chain 2. So you're going to continue doing 3 single crochets in these chain spaces, and when it comes to the corner you're going to do 3 single crochet, chain 3, 3 single crochet, chain 2. So we'll finish this side. So 3 more single crochet in this. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Now again in a corner, do 3 single crochet, 2, 3, chain 3, 3 more single crochet, 2 and 3. So continue this for the rest of the round and I'll meet you right here. To complete round 5, make a slip stitch, and for the next round we're going to turn our work. So chain 1, do 1 single crochet inside this chain space and 1 treble crochet, one more single crochet, again a treble crochet. We're going to work into this stitch, single crochet in the next, treble crochet in the next, single crochet. Again we have reached a corner, so in a corner there are 3 stitches, so single crochet, treble crochet and one more single crochet, and continue alternating between single crochet and treble crochet for the rest of the circle, and that will make your border. So that's today's square. Show us your squares and feel free to ask us any questions that you might have. Happy cooking!